Connects any two USB-compatible devices. Kit makes it possible to access a variety of electronics, including mobile devices, laptops, printers, scanners, digital cameras and more. 4 adapters included: 1A male to B male, 1A male to USB-C, 1A male to Mini B, 1A male to micro USB adapter. Includes one 6-foot, 1.8 meter, a male to a female USB cable, USB 2.0. Supports data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. Compatible with PC, Windows 7 and up, Mac. Connect with confidence when you use the Philips USB cable kit. The kit includes 4 multi-use adapters to fit your USB-compatible devices. The adapters are a male to B male, a male to Mini B, a male to micro USB and a male to USB-C. Because of its universal and future-proof design, USB-C is quickly becoming the industry standard for charging and powering all of your compatible devices, including laptops, tablets, smartphones, hard drives and more. To use any of the adapters, simply choose an adapter and connect it to the included a male to a female 6-feet cable, then plug the adapter into its compatible device. The USB cable kit makes it possible to access a variety of electronics, including mobile devices, laptops, printers, scanners, digital cameras and more. Additionally, the kit supports data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. Stay connected to all of your devices with the Philips USB cable kit. Top reviews from the United States. Well-made product. I like how the cables actually feel and I love that you can swap the heads out with the really long USB cable. I found it to be very useful and there were absolutely no issues with the set when I received it. My only complaint is that some of the boxes around the cable heads are a little bulky, so some devices with lips are impossible to be plugged into, but that is usually a rare scenario. Keep up the good work, Philips.